MissDarcei.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your favorite boneheaded bitch back at it again with another video. I have a confession to make. I am not bald. I am a fraud. I've had hair this whole time. Ow! Ah! Ah! I'm gonna be straightening my hair today. Why am I doing this, you may ask? Probably because I'm on the verge of a nervous breakdown. I don't know. Is this a good idea? No. Am I going to do it anyway? Absolutely. Just gonna see what we're working with here. This is the real me. I have so much hair. This is already a bad idea. I've been a good girl all year, but today I want to be bad and use this heat demon on my precious locks. This evil heat contraption from hell will give me silky straight locks. But at what cost? Let's find out. First thing I'm gonna do is wash my hair because I don't remember the last time I washed it. And it's so dry and crusty that it could snap in half. So I'm gonna go into the shower and use a concoction of products to make my hair feel semi-attractive, and then I shall get back to you. BRB. Hi! Welcome to my bathroom. Please ignore the hole in the wall, it's not important. Okay, I'm about to step into the shower now, so close your eyes. Okay, let's make it fast. You gonna put the country on the back, run it back. You 100 from the left. Hey, I just want you to make it left. Hey. So while I was in the shower, I shampooed my hair with this argan oil shampoo from Nature Republic. I then used the Mixed Chicks Deep Conditioner on my racially ambiguous hair. After rinsing that out, I followed it up with, you guessed it, the shampoo again. You want to make sure your hair is very clean, so I'm told. I'm not an expert. I'm not a hairdresser. I don't know what I'm doing. And when I say clean, I mean clean. I'm talking squeaky clean. Now let's get into straightening this bad boy. But first, I need to poop. Hi. Okay, now it's time for the blow drying process. Oh, what was that? You thought that I could just put a flat iron to this thing? My African genes laugh in pity. My ancestors are rolling in their graves. No heat demon could defeat this. First, we must blow dry the crap out of my hair before we even think about picking this up. I'm also gonna spray this stuff in my hair. It's called the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler from the Dry Bar. It's supposed to protect your hair from the heat. Allegedly. Smells like my uncle's cologne. Okay, I finished half. Oh my god, my ear's so red. Okay, next half. Smells like my uncle's hugs. This is what my hair looks like all blowed out. Now, it's time to straighten it. We're gonna have to divide this into sections. And I'm gonna be taking my tail of a rat comb and using that. I'm gonna be using what my people call the comb chase method. Is it working? Guys, is it working? Is it working? Huh? Damn it. I think I'm getting the hang of this. All right. Tastes so good, make a grown man cry. Sweet cherry pie, yeah. Excellent. Ow. Ah! My hair is so soft, like a baby's derriere. I'm just gonna bump the ends. Ah! Ah, it burns! Probably what my hair is saying right now. I finished one half. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, so what I like to do is wrap this side up in a bun. But first, we gotta get our white people hair oil. Ta-da! White people love this stuff. Alright, so we just have this much left. Hi-ho, hi-ho, it's off to work we go. Hi-ho, 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 hi-ho. Oh, my hair's smoking. Oh no. Gotta make sure you get those roots. Nice. My people call this a kitchen. Don't ask why. Look at the little curl. It's so cute! It looks like it belongs in Whoville. I feel like Cindy Lou Who. Ow. Ow. Doing this side of my head is a lot harder than the other side because my arms just don't want to bend this way. My arms were not made for this. My arms were only made for hugs and grabbing snacks. You know what song's stuck in my head right now? The Star Spangled Banner. I don't know the words. Alright, now I'm gonna tie this side up. I've already applied my white people oil. Let this sit for a bit, and I'll be back. I'm gonna be honest, it is the next day because I was watching K-dramas yesterday and I forgot. I'm so sorry. So these have been sitting for a while, guys. Let's see how they turned out. Okay, I really think that I should give myself a full makeover just so we can really feel the impact of this new hair. I'm so hungry. Ugh. After this, I'm getting some avocado toast. I want to be avocado toasty. Oh, I'm out of eyebrow pencil. Oh. My life is so hard. Okay, first I'm gonna be putting on some primer. I'm gonna be using my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I haven't used this in so long. I don't even remember if I like this. Do I like this? I do like this. It's hydrating, it's gripping, it's everything you want in a primer. Not sponsored. God, why is there so much hair on my face? Next, I'm gonna put on my foundation. This is the foundation that I've been using for the last 8,000 years. The NARS All Day Luminous in Macau. I went outside the other day because it was like 21 degrees, which is my favorite degree besides 98. So yeah, I went outside and I got a little bit darker, guys. I'm a little bit tan right now. She's tan. She's a bronze goddess right now. So if my foundation and concealer colors are wrong right now, I'm sorry, okay? My skin soaks up vitamin D like a Capri Sun. Next, I'm taking my concealer. We're gonna use the color Mocha. Mocha Chocolate. Real Lady Marmalade. I've sung so much in this video. I'm so sorry. While this is sitting, what we're gonna do is our eyebrows, but with what? I don't know because I ran out of my eyebrow pencil. There's still a little bit left. We can do it. I tried trimming my eyebrows myself and it did not work. Honestly, guys, I'm starting to reach caveman status here with these eyebrows. Am I even drawing anything right now? Like, is this happening? I feel like I'm not drawing anything. My eyebrows look like two dead caterpillars. Time to blend out this concealer. So yeah, like I was saying, I went outside the other day because it was 21 degrees outside. So I was like, let's go out for a run. Did I actually run though? No, because I'm wildly out of shape. What I did do though is run for 30 seconds and then walk for 20 minutes. I'm really trying to not look like Wolverine right now, but like, I don't know if it's working out. Now I'm gonna bake until my face hurts. I feel like wearing eyeliner today. Probably a big mistake, but we're gonna do it. I wanna be a soft bitch today. All right, time to press this into the skin. We don't dust powder off in this house, okay? We don't waste powder in this house. My eyebrows look like Wolverines. Next, I'm gonna put on some brown eyeshadow. Literally, we're just putting on one eyeshadow. My lips look so big today. Is it just me or are my lips really big today? Did I get lip injections and forget? No, I wouldn't forget that. My lips look hella fat. Oh shit, I forgot to talk. Sorry, I was concentrating on my, my eyeshadow game. Eyeshadow game on fleek. Do kids still say on fleek? I don't think they do. You know what? I don't follow the trends. I make them. So I'm gonna say on fleek still. Now I'm gonna put on some eyeliner. Ow!
guys, I think I finally got the hang of lashes. Next, I'm gonna put on my favorite ColourPop blush called Underclassmen. It's a beautiful rosy peach color. Wow. Okay, now I'm gonna contour the shit out of my face. Can you guys see me? Can you guys see me? I can't tell if I'm blind or you're blind. Gotta get those cheekbones, girl. Damn, I feel like a woman. And now I'm gonna line my lips. You know, my lips are looking extra fat today, but they could be fatter. I'm gonna take Boo for Morphe and put that over top. And then we're gonna follow that up with New Nude from 3CE. And then I'm gonna put Ticklish on top of that. Why am I using 4 lip products? Because I can. Ah, snap! Okay, I think we're good now. You know what my favorite part about having straight hair is that now I can do this. And I can wear my hair half up, half down now. I look so cute right now. Seriously, why are my lips so big? I feel like a Bratz doll. You know what? Honestly, I do feel better now. I thought that this was gonna be a bad idea, but it turns out it was a great idea. At least I didn't dye my hair or shave all of it off. This was just a very small psychotic break. Just a tiny one. What's the Bratz theme song? I'm too old to know this. I was a Barbie girl. Be who you wanna be. B-A-R-B-I-E. Wait, that fits with my name too. Be who you wanna be. D-A-R-C-E-I. No, that's not as cute. I look so cute right now, but guess what? I still have nowhere to go because we're still in quarantine. But that's okay because you guys saw me and that's all that matters. Okay, I'm gonna go now because I'm very hungry and I need my avocado toast to function. If you guys want to send me some avocado toast, there's an address down below. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more weird random videos like this. This was just off the cuff. I just lost my mind and I decided to straighten my hair. Who knows what I'll do next? Subscribe to find out. I don't even know what I'm gonna do next. I will see you in the next video, which will be in 2 seconds because I have a whole bunch of videos that you can watch right here, girl. Click one of these to see more of me. We're in quarantine. You have nothing else to do. Just click one. Anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video. I love ya so much.